We're going to review Star Bomb ng Cliff. Star Bomb has two variants, si Champagne and Crystal. So, pakita ko sa iyo kung ano yung packaging niya. So, ayan. Ayan siya, may pagka, ito yung Champagne. And, this is Crystal. May pagka-white yung shimmer niya. And this one is may pagka-bronzy. So, I think we are going to test this. Two variants already, right? So, we're gonna put Crystal in here. Okay. Crystal in here. Okay. So, si Crystal, nakikita ko na yung shine dito. Wow. Yung shine ni Crystal. It gives me a glow finish with this one. Wow. So, lagayan natin si Champagne here. Uy! Maputi lang ako, pero parang halata naman na parang, or sa lightning lang. Nagbibigay siya ng glitter effect. Parang kita na yung, pag gusto ko mag-off shoulder, let's see off shoulder, parang kita na yung glowness nito. Parang, ito yung pwede mong gagamitin mo body glow pag sa swimsuit competition with this product. I super duper loved it. Wow. So, may sponge siya kasama. Kailangan i-spread siya to sponge. Pero, anyways, I want to try it on hand. This Star Bomb is a perfect. Ito yung gusto mo ng may pagka-glowy effect. Yung may pagka-glowy effect. Yung, you know, yung gusto mo ng shine or glow on your body. This is the perfect product for you.